In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar booking widget to a funnel page in GoHighLevel. By the end, your visitors will be able to schedule time with you right on the page, which helps increase conversions and eliminates the back and forth of manual scheduling. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel account. Before opening the page builder, make sure you already have a booking calendar set up and ready. Give it a clear name so you can find it fast, and double-check the time zone, availability windows, and appointment duration. Getting those details right up front ensures the times your leads see are accurate. Now head to Sites, then open the Funnels section. Choose the funnel that contains the page where you want the booking widget to appear, and click Edit to open it in the builder. Inside the editor, look to the top left for the Add Element button with the plus icon and click it. In the search bar, type Calendar. You'll see the calendar element appear in the list. Drag and drop it into the section where you want people to book. Placing it near your main call to action or above the fold usually works best so visitors don't have to hunt for it. If your layout uses multiple columns, consider a single column section for the widget to give it more room and avoid cramped layouts. Once the widget is on the page, click the small gear icon on that element to open its settings. From the drop-down, select the specific calendar you prepared earlier. You should see the preview update right away, which is a quick way to confirm you chose the correct one. While you're still in Settings, customize the look and messaging to match your brand and clarify next steps. Adjust the header or description to set expectations, fine-tune colors and spacing so it blends with your page design, and keep the form clean and simple. Clear labels and minimal distractions typically lead to more bookings. It's also a good moment to switch to the mobile view in the editor and make sure the widget stacks nicely on smaller screens. When everything looks good, save your work and publish the page. After publishing, open the live page in a new tab and run a quick test booking using a non-primary email. Confirm that the booking flow feels smooth, the confirmation displays correctly, and notifications arrive with the right time zone and details. That's all there is to it. You've added a calendar booking widget to your GoHighLevel funnel page. Put this on your high-traffic pages to make it effortless for visitors to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.